So a while ago, I covered my chest of drawers in a mirror film that I've got on here, which is a sticky back plastic. But I've seen recently on social media people using these window films that you can stick over the top, so you kind of layer it up, and it gives a really cool effect, so I'm going to give it a go today. Can you just see that there? How you can just see the light through it? And I think it's just going to catch that mirror underneath and it will just reinvent it a bit, which is what I fancy doing today. With this one, it's easiest if you lay the drawer onto the plastic, or that's, I think, the easiest way when I've done drawers before. So with this bamboo, it is directional. Obviously, you want it to look like it's growing upwards. I don't want it going sideways across the drawer, so just be aware of that if you're using a window film. And you do need a self-adhesive window film for this one. I'm going to cut just a slightly smaller section so I don't have this roll peeing around all over the place. So, let's peel this back. So just checking, this is the bottom end of the drawer, this is the bottom of the print, so I'm going to lay it onto it that way. Just push that into place. What's good about the drawers is you don't have to get your tape measure out and do it all like that. This is a much quicker way of doing it. Obviously you can do it that way if you want to, but. So, next bit is just to smooth it down. So I'm just going to use the smoother to get rid of any bubbles. So that's the top of the drawer there, and then I just need to put the handle back on, make a little hole. Handle back on. Brilliant. So I'm going to do the top of the unit now rather than talking through all the drawers, because obviously that's just the same process. So this is where I might use the ruler just to weight that down just for a minute. So I'm just going to mark the measurements, and there are grid lines on the back of the paper in little centimetre squares, so you can just use those as a guide for where to cut. And I do allow a little overhang, so the top of that unit, for example, was 40 centimetres, so I'm going to do 42 centimetres, and then I've got something to trim away at the sides. Obviously the drawers are going up that way. I want it to look like it's carrying on, growing like upwards and over the top of the unit. And then you start to peel this away. Just take your time with this. So the next bit is just to use the scalpel to trim away the excess all the way around. And I find you get the smoothest line if you can just push the blade up against the edge of the surface.